Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a DIY project. So I pretty much have like no decor on my walls at my house yet, and I thought I'd make some because sometimes you could buy these wall art pieces and they'll be pretty expensive. So I am using my mom's Cricut machine that I bought for her, and I'll show y'all everything I just got right now. So right here I have my mom's Cricut maker, and then my iPad with the app on there. I bought one of these longer mats so that it's easier to do a bigger design. And then of course the vinyl that you need for it. I bought two. And then I had some leftover transfer tape. And then I bought these frames. So this is just an 8x10 one. This is a silver one. I got this one for my restroom. And then I bought the big ones, which is the 11.75 by 36 inches poster frames. I'm gonna use them sideways, and one's gonna be for my living room and the other one's gonna be for my bedroom. Okay, so I finally got the design ready to go. So it's gonna say, and so together they built a life they love. So this is my first time doing something like big like this. Okay, so I'm gonna use this tool to kind of push it down so that there's no air bubbles as I'm going. Okay, so I'm just using the end of this X-Acto knife to just cut off the rest, the excess. And I finally got it down. We're gonna load it on. Okay, and once you have it cut, what I like to do is cut around it so that way we could take off all the extra product that we didn't use. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and peel off the extra. And it's pretty easy, like the Cricut literally does all the work for you. And if you find that it peels off something you don't want to come off, just use your little scraper or credit card, whatever you want, to press it down. And it's pretty forgiving to like go back, as long as you're not moving too fast. I think that's key, try to stay patient with the machine in the peeling process, because if you mess up this, then you messed up everything. Okay, so right here, it's lifting. So I'm just peeling the rest of them. As you can see, that was a breeze. So this obviously you're not gonna be able to use. And then I'm just gonna take my little, I don't know what this is, the hook, to just take off the extra pieces that stayed on. This is where it's good that you save your scrap pieces, because then you can use them for other things you need. You always want to make sure you see the measurements on here to make sure you have enough material. So this is actually a perfect piece for it. So this is what I have so far. Just trying to make sure everything's pretty even, centered, all that good stuff. I'm going to speed through this process in editing ways, so yeah, let's just get into it. This little piece of transfer tape for the whole little parts. So just know that you can save this and use it. Look, it's still sticky. I could probably still pick up. Okay, so here's the final product. This is for the bedroom. It says, and so together they built a life they loved. I don't think it came out that bad. And for me doing it myself, not too shabby. I think it's cute. Okay, and for this one, I just realized I could just print out something and put it in this frame. So that's what I'm gonna do for this one, so I don't have to do all this work for no reason. Okay, so here is the printed one. Yeah, it was a lot easier just printing this one, so that's what I did for that one. So here is the finished product for the one for the living room. But actually we decided that we would like it better right here on this little wall. So I wish y'all could see how much I struggled with this. But I think it came out super cute. Okay, so here we have it. This is the restroom. This is my bedroom one. And then this is gonna be for an entryway. I think they all came out really, really nice. So if you have a lot of time to spare and a lot of brain cells to kill, then go for it and try it yourself, because I swear to you, it was not that fun. I mean, I thought it was gonna be fun and shit turned out to be a headache. Like probably a good 5 hours I've been doing this. I just couldn't figure out the machine, couldn't figure out some stuff. But finally I got it, and I think I could get this now if I wanted to do more, but you know, who knows what I'm gonna do more now, because I already got these done. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully this wasn't too boring and kind of entertained y'all. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.